Hello and welcome back. Thank you, 700 subscribers. I'm very grateful. Let's celebrate with carrot cake. Okay, you'll be needing 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder. You are going to sift this. Then your wet ingredients. We'll be needing 3 eggs, 3 medium-sized eggs, a scant cup sugar, that is a cup of sugar but not completely filled up. So we're going to beat this together with our mixer. Without mixer, you can use your spatula. Then you add salt, just a teaspoon salt or even less. Then you're going to use orange zest. You can use lemon zest and it is optional. You can put it off if you don't have it. You have to wash very well to keep off germs when you're doing this. So then we're going to take in 3 tablespoons orange juice out of the orange we just zest. So once we do this, I'm going to mix them together again with the mixer, and without mixer you can use your spoon or spatula. Then you beat till they are well combined. Then you add 2 tablespoons butter and mix together as well till they are well combined. Now you add your flour bit by bit. You don't have to use mixer for the flour, just use your spatula to turn it in. Using mixer we mess it up just like this. That's not the right way to go about it. So just use your spatula to turn in the flour. Then you add 2 cups carrots. You can use more or less, depends on how much you want the carrots to show you. But I use 2 cups in mine. Then I mix together till they're well combined. You see, it's already showing carrot color. Then you're going to pour it in your baking pan. I lined mine with baking sheet after greasing it. So once you put it in baking pan, you try to make it spread so that they are even. Then I had raisins. Raisins is very good. It's dried grape. So you add raisins, and I added walnut as well. By the time you are doing this, make sure you already preheated your oven. So you're going to bake at 350 degree for 45 minutes or more, depending on your oven temperature. So after you had this, it's staying on top of it and it might get burnt. So it's better that you put it in, you try to push it in using your mixer or spoon. Just make sure they are well combined. You can use fork to just put them in. So once you do this, put it in the oven and bake for 45 minutes at 350 degree. Then it's ready. It is so rich. This is a very healthy dessert you can give your kids, you can enjoy with your family. So do enjoy it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the like button. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.